Want to grow a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are booming. And today, I'll show you the most profitable niches you can start with zero experience. Whether you want to earn passive income or build a long-term brand, these faceless ideas are your key to success. I'm Lucia, and I've done the research. Today, we're unlocking 5 incredible niches where your creativity and smart use of AI can build you an empire. These aren't just random ideas, these are proven strategies that people are using right now to get insane results. We're going to break down each niche, show you how to get started, and reveal why they're absolute gold mines for faceless creators. Let's dive into the best faceless YouTube niches that are set to dominate. Alright, kicking things off with our first monster niche, motivational videos. You've seen them, right? Those super inspiring videos that just hit different? Well, guess what? They are incredibly easy to make without showing your face. And the audience for them is absolutely gigantic. We're talking about content that people actively seek out when they need a boost, when they need to feel inspired, or when they're chasing their dreams. You take powerful, life-changing quotes. Think timeless wisdom from philosophers, entrepreneurs, athletes, and you pair them with compelling high-quality stock video footage. Imagine epic drone shots of mountains, slow-motion clips of people overcoming challenges, or beautiful time-lapses of cityscapes. This visual storytelling, combined with the right words, creates an emotional impact that keeps viewers hooked. Now, you might be thinking, but Lucia, I don't have a Morgan Freeman voice. And that's the beauty of 2025, my friends. AI tools like 11 Labs can generate incredibly realistic, human-sounding voiceovers in any style you want. And where do you get these stunning visuals? Websites like Pexels or Pixabay are your best friends here. They offer thousands, if not millions, of high-resolution stock videos and images completely free to use. One of the biggest advantages here is high watch time. People often listen to these videos while working out, commuting, or starting their day. They'll let a 10, 20, even 30-minute compilation play through, racking up those precious watch hours for your channel, which YouTube's algorithm absolutely loves. More watch time means YouTube pushes your videos to more people. Plus, motivation is universal. It transcends borders, languages, though you can target specific ones, and cultures. This means you have a truly global audience appeal. Monetization? Oh, it's beautiful. Beyond standard YouTube ad revenue, which can be significant with high watch time, you can easily integrate affiliate links. Think books on success, productivity tools, or online courses. The possibilities to earn are huge, and your audience will be receptive because they already connect with the positive message. Next up, let's talk about a niche that is pure passive income gold. Ambient sounds and lo-fi music channels. If you've ever searched for relaxing music to study to or sleep sounds, you've stumbled into this multi-million view per video territory. And the best part, you can create these videos with almost zero active effort once they're up. These channels provide exactly what they promise: calming audio experiences. Think gentle rain sounds, crackling fireplaces, peaceful nature soundscapes, ocean waves, or those super popular lo-fi hip-hop beats that are perfect for focus. People use these videos for hours on end to help them relax, de-stress, concentrate while studying or working, or to drift off to sleep. Creating this content is ridiculously simple. You find high-quality, royalty-free audio tracks. There are tons of libraries out there, some free, some paid, but all accessible. Then you pair these tracks with simple, looping visuals. This could be a static image of a cozy room, a slow-moving animation of rain on a window, a beautiful landscape photo, or a subtle visualizer. The key is that the visual is unobtrusive and enhances the calming audio. The real secret sauce here? Long-form content. We're talking hour-long videos, sometimes even 8 or 10-hour loops. Why? Because YouTube loves watch time, and these videos are designed to be played for extended periods. Someone puts on your 8 hours of gentle rain sounds for sleep video, and if they listen for even half of it, that's 4 hours of watch time from a single viewer on a single video. This signals to YouTube that your content is valuable, leading to more impressions and views. And let's talk about monetization with these long videos. More watch time often means more opportunities for mid-roll ads. While you want to be careful not to disrupt the relaxing experience too much, strategically placed ads in an hour-long video can significantly boost your ad revenue compared to shorter content. The beauty of this niche is that absolutely no voiceover is needed. You don't need to script anything, you don't need to record anything, you don't even need AI for voiceovers here. It's all about the audio and the simple, calming visuals. This makes it one of the purest forms of faceless content creation. Alright, let's shift gears into a niche that is exploding right now and pays incredibly well: AI and tech explainers. We are living in the future, people. Artificial intelligence, new gadgets, crazy software, it's all happening so fast and most people are struggling to keep up. That's where you come in, as a Faceless channel, to break it all down for them. These channels take complex technological concepts, new AI tools or software tutorials and make them easy to understand using engaging visuals and clear, concise AI-generated voiceovers. Think about explaining how ChatGPT works, reviewing the latest AI art generator, or showing how to use a new productivity app. You become the trusted source for demystifying the tech world, all without ever showing your face. The tools to create these videos are more accessible than ever. For scripting, you can literally use ChatGPT or other AI writing assistants to help you outline and write your explanations. Ask it to explain complex tech topic in simple terms for a YouTube video, and it will spit out a fantastic starting point. Then, for the video creation itself, tools like Synthesia or Pictory.ai can turn your script into a video with AI presenters, stock footage, and text overlays. Why is this niche skyrocketing? Because technology, especially AI, is the hot topic. Everyone wants to understand it, learn how to use it, and see what's coming next. This creates a massive, highly engaged audience that is hungry for information, and they're actively searching for it on YouTube. Tech channels, especially those focusing on AI, software, and finance-related tech, often have some of the highest CPMs, cost per meal, or how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views, on YouTube. Advertisers are willing to pay top dollar to reach this tech-savvy audience, which means more revenue for you per view. We're talking serious earning potential here. This niche is also incredibly future-proof. Who wants to make more money? Everyone. That's why our fourth niche, finance and side hustles, is an absolute content goldmine that you can dominate without ever showing your face. People are constantly searching for ways to improve their financial situation, whether it's saving money, investing wisely, or finding new income streams. Imagine creating videos like Top 5 Side Hustles You Can Start Today with No Money, How I Saved $10,000 in 1 Year, Simple Steps, or Best Passive Income Ideas for 2025. These titles alone are click magnets. You can use AI-generated scripts to explain these concepts clearly and concisely, paired with engaging stock footage, screen recordings if you're showing online platforms, and animated text to highlight key points. The beauty of this niche is its universal appeal and the high-paying nature of the advertisers it attracts. Financial education, investment tips, and money-making strategies are topics that advertisers in the finance, software, and online business sectors are desperate to get in front of. This means, similar to tech, you can expect very attractive CPM rates, making your views incredibly valuable. Content creation can be streamlined massively with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas, outline scripts, and even write entire drafts about topics like budgeting, cryptocurrency basics, affiliate marketing strategies, or dropshipping guides. You then take that AI-generated script, feed it into an AI voiceover tool, and combine it with relevant visuals. The viral potential here is absolutely insane. A video that genuinely helps someone save a significant amount of money or start a profitable side hustle is highly likely to get shared. People want to help their friends and family improve their finances too. This organic sharing can lead to explosive channel growth, bringing in waves of new subscribers eager for your next piece of financial wisdom. Monetization goes way beyond just AdSense. Last but definitely not least, we have a niche that is an absolute cheat code for YouTube growth: top 10 videos, or top 5, top 7, top 3, any kind of listicle video. These are insanely addictive to watch, incredibly easy to produce, especially with AI, and they have a massive global audience. This is your ticket to viral potential, no matter what your interest is. Think about the titles. Top 10 richest people in the world, top 5 most mysterious deep-sea creatures, top 7 AI tools that will change your life, top 10 scariest roller coasters you have to ride. Our brains are literally wired to love lists. They provide structure, curiosity, and a quick dose of information or entertainment. People click on these videos without even thinking twice. The production process is a dream for faceless creators. You research a topic, AI can help massively here. Compile your list, write a short script for each item, find relevant stock footage or images for each point, add an AI voiceover, and boom, you have a highly engaging video. You don't need complex narratives or on-camera presence. It's all about the information and the presentation. One of the biggest strengths of TopX videos is their massive global audience. These types of videos translate well across cultures and languages, though you can target specific ones for even better results. Curiosity is universal. Everyone wants to know what's the biggest, best, scariest, richest, or most interesting. This broad appeal can lead to views from all over the world. And here's the kicker: AI makes creating these videos easier than ever. You can use AI to brainstorm list ideas, research facts and figures for each item on your list, and even help write the script. This dramatically cuts down on production time, allowing you to pump out content consistently, which is key for YouTube growth. The versatility is another huge plus. This format works in literally every niche. Outro music starts to fade in softly. There you have 5 faceless YouTube niches that can help you grow fast in 2025. Motivational videos, ambient sounds, AI and tech explainers, finance and side hustles, and the ever-popular top 10 lists. Every single one of these has massive potential for you to build something incredible without ever showing your face. The tools are here, the demand is huge, and the opportunity is now. Seriously, what are you waiting for? The biggest question is, which one will you start? Are you going to inspire millions with motivational content? Help people relax with calming sounds, demystify tech, share financial secrets, or create addictive list videos? I genuinely want to know. Drop a comment below and tell me which niche sparks your interest the most, or if you have another faceless idea you're excited about. Let's get a conversation going. And hey, if you found any value in this video, if these ideas got your brain buzzing with possibilities, then do me a huge favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more AI-powered channel ideas and YouTube growth tips, and definitely turn on those notifications. We're just getting started, and you won't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music swells and then fades out.